Hello, boys and girls. This week we are learning about conjunctions in grammar. So let's look at what a conjunction is. A conjunction is a word that connects words or groups of words. Okay, just connecting words together. Not like a compound word where you take two words and you add them together and get one new word. These are still going to be separate, just added together like in a sentence. So to add information, use the conjunction and. To show a choice, we're going to use or. And to show a difference, we're going to use the word but, but. Here's our first example. James went to the park and a ball game. Okay, we are adding information there. James had never been to New York City, but he liked it. Okay, and then finally, James could stay in the city or go back home. That's a choice. Do one or the other. You can use a conjunction to combine two sentences into a compound sentence. So when we combine two words, we call it a compound word. When we combine two sentences, we call that a compound sentence. When we combine those two sentences together, we do need to add a comma before the conjunction in the compound sentence. Here's an example. James went to a ball game. End of the sentence. Then he went home. End of the second sentence. We can combine those two using the word and to make a bigger sentence, a compound sentence, that maybe flows a little bit better. And here's our sentence. James went to a ball game, comma, and then he went home. Okay? We were adding more information, so we use the word and. Again, our conjunctions, there are just three of them, and I'm going to circle them again. And when we combine or add more information, or, which is used to show a choice, and to show a difference, we use the word but. All right, let's look at the directions. Now, you should have worked through these, although if they were confusing, it's okay to maybe let me do the first two to get an idea of what to do, and then pause the video and do 3, 4, 5 on your own. Okay, so the directions say to write the conjunction in each sentence. First sentence. Railroads were built in the 1800s and Americans soon depended on them. So my conjunction in this sentence is the word and. Okay? And I'm not going to write it, I'm just going to circle them here. Again, easy to spot. There's the comma and then our conjunction and. Question 2, or sentence 2. Americans could travel by stagecoach, but trains were much faster. And my conjunction is the word but. Number 3. People could go 20 miles or all the way across the country in a stagecoach or a train, either one. Okay, so my conjunction is or. Those are the only three we have, and, but, or. Okay. Number 4. Today, Americans travel by airplanes, cars, and trains. My conjunction is the word and. And finally, number 5. You can take a train within a city or between cities, and my conjunction is the word or. And here is a choice, right? You can either take the train within a city, or the other choice, you can take it between cities. All right, let's look at numbers 6 through 10. The directions say to circle the conjunction in the parentheses that best completes each sentence. Number 6. Daniel saw the Statue of Liberty blank the Empire State Building. Okay, so here he's seeing both. We get the conjunction and. But in this sentence would not make sense. Number 7. Was the Statue of Liberty dedicated in 1884, blank, 1886? This is an either or question. It can't be both. So when we have a choice, our conjunction is or. Number 8. It was sent to the United States in 1884, blank, it was dedicated in 1886. So these are differences here. It's not either one. Both of these things happened. It's just that they were at different times. So our conjunction then, it was sent to the United States in 1884, but it was dedicated in 1886. So both did happen. If it was one or the other, then we would choose or. But both happened here, so we get the word but. Number 9. Is the statue made of copper, blank, marble? So here, one or the other. And because it's one or the other, it's a choice, we have or. Was it made of copper or marble? And number 10. The statue was cleaned, blank, restored in the 1980s. Okay, so both of these things happened, and because both happened and at the same time, we get the conjunction and. All right. Now I will have more examples for us to look at as the week goes on, but just remember we have 3 types of conjunctions, and, or, and but, and will add information, and then choice is or, and difference, we use the word but. All right, that's it for today, boys and girls. We'll have more practice again tomorrow. As always, this is Mr. P, and I am out.